Hey, you may believe that you need to take multiple years to learn how to design high-speed boards. You don't have to do that. You don't have to do that, okay? If you don't know me, I'm Tech Ed Kirsch Mackey, and I've been doing board design for 8 years now, and to such an extent that I've gotten into being a mid-senior hardware design engineer at Intel headquarters in Silicon Valley. And here's what I can tell you. It does not take years. It doesn't have to take years anyway. If you learn high-speed digital design in the right order, the right way. Okay? I cover this in my ebook, which is linked below. What I'm doing is I'm releasing, well, actually I've already released, I've soft launched a high-speed digital design crash course where you learn EMC, signal integrity, EMI, all that stuff, all the foundations to know how to design your own high-speed printed circuit boards. And in addition, a detailed document guides and videos to design your first high-speed PCB with complete confidence. And here's the crazy thing, without having to do a bunch of memorization. It's based on a critical understanding of the electromagnetic field and how it's applied, how it behaves in all boundary conditions, okay? Dr. Eric Bogadin said it best. There are two types of electrical PCB designers. Ones who have signal integrity problems and ones who will, okay? A lot of engineers who want to learn PCB and hardware design with complete confidence and design high-speed signals with confidence are missing key fundamentals. What I've done is I've taken all the information from all the gurus, from my own years of experience and what we've done at Intel, to package what you need to know to design your own products into just 3.5 months worth of work, really 30 to 60 hours of training, okay? 30 to 60 hours of training. Really, it's, I'd say 15 hours of video training and 20 to 30 hours of execution. You're gonna get your foundation from the first 6 hours and execute for 30 hours designing a board from scratch. That is all you need to understand how to route any high-speed signal trace anywhere in the world. PCIe, DDR3, parallel, serial, okay, USB 3.2, Gen 2X2, Gen 2X1, 20 gigabits per second, 40 gigabits per second, it doesn't matter. Once you understand the physics and the process, that's all you need. How can I make such a bold claim? Because I've done it for students who've come to me, okay? You can take the slower path that I've taken. You do enough boards, eventually things start to click, you learn as you go, so on and so forth. Instead, take the faster path, like Caitlin has taken when I coached her, like Mitchell has taken when he didn't have a bachelor's degree in electrical engineering, you know. But guess where he got hired? At Garmin, after we crash coursed him in high-speed digital design from the ground up, okay, in DFX. Now he's designed at least 12 to 13 flex PCBs in his first year. No bachelor's degree in electrical? Come on now. This tells you how potent the methodology that I've come up with, okay? How powerful that is. Don't waste time. Well, actually, if you want to waste time, then don't watch the rest of this video. Don't get the course that I've released, that I've soft launched. Don't get it. Don't look at the page. But if you do want to save time and you're ready to invest, 3 figures, then you want to click the link below and follow that method. Do not deviate from that path. You're only wasting your time and losing time and distracting yourself and losing money and opportunities that could have changed your life, okay? You want to get that course or follow that path at least. Even if you just read the ebook, which I've also linked below, you follow that path in the ebook, do designs that teach you the skills, read books and PDFs that teach you those skills, that's fine. That's all you need to do in the ebook. But if you're ready for a course that shows you the way, recordings done by me, repackages what all the gurus have been teaching and do teach, including myself, in a way that's infinitely faster, orders of magnitude faster than you would normally take, then get the course. Stop playing. Don't waste your time. Close out 2025 being confident in high-speed digital design. I'll see you in the next video. This is Tech Ed Kirsch. Hit me up if you have any questions, if you want to see the detailed curriculum. I'll be sharing more videos to show you some behind the scenes. Okay.